Whoa. I can't actually remember last time we have this thunderstorm in Norway, actually. Not this much, at least. I think I actually did get one just as I turn on the camera, actually. It's just all over. It's not right above me, but... and it's a long way. Well, I mean, it's a far away. So... there's a lot going on over there. I don't know, see if you can see much. Since this camera is, yeah, useless to record at night. It doesn't even have night vision. But you can see flashes. I'm believing this is really far away, but still shouldn't be out. That's why I'm, yeah, kind of out and inside at the same time, but lightning still can hit you. Well, seriously, I can't remember the last time there was this much. Just lights up everything. This is gonna be really bad, and it's really, really hot outside. And this just, it's really typical. I can actually see there's some rain. Since I actually have downloaded a game, it's called Killing Floor on Steam, and believe me, I don't like Steam sometimes. It has some good things and some bad things. My computer did something, so it didn't want to, like, the game did work for a couple of seconds, then it crashed and didn't want to reboot, so did have to uninstall the game, install it again. That took about 5 hours, and basically finished downloading, and this happens. Of course, I tried the game a little bit today. It's really fascinating. It's like, it's pretty to watch, but it's nature, deadly force, at least one of them. Yeah. There's a lot of on the right. Yeah, it's really bad focusing. Try to focus. It's almost impossible. That's supposed to be a window. Whoa.